go! Let's go! I choose you! Junior, I choose you! Junior. Snake, you what? You get to kill me! I'm gonna cover this action. So, I guess we're fine. Oh no! What is that? Why did you have to land on me? I don't know. Oh, come on. You have to go. It's time to go fight. Yeah, dude, this is so awesome. Super awesome. So we're at the new place, but there's nothing here. What is going on? Why does it have to be me? Come on. Oh, no, wait. Wait, what is going on? Stop looking now. Get off my friend. If I have to do, I have to do it. Dude, what is going on? I'm trying myself off. But dude, this much. Oh, no. It's the most convenient way. Right, come on, right. There we go. There. Right. Alright, come on. Where? To the next place. What? Okay. So. Kitty.
Is that a kakuna? That right there is a kakuna. I don't know if I have one yet, but I'm gonna get it anyway. I do. I've seen a weedle as well. A daughter. I have a kakuna, and I think
That's how you want to play.
I don't actually know if I have a weedle yet, to be honest. I'm not gonna check because I'll be upset that I made the wrong decision. I don't know if I would have played in time though, to be
The
honest.
final boss. Dun. Ooh, and it's posted on YouTube. Dude! Mind your business.